Let's talk about Hinari MB280 The Genie Multi-Attachment Blender. "15-piece multi-attachment hand blender set. 230W motor and 2 stainless steel blades flat and cross. Used to mix, chop, blend, whip, grind, puree, juice and grate. Kit includes 1-liter jug blender, 2 cups, 4 party cups, 2 stay fresh lids and 2 steam tops. Comes with recipe book. The Hinari MB280 multi-attachment blender arrived within 7 working days and was packaged very well. I bought this blender as a replacement to the Magic Bullet I had. I was not expecting much as it was much cheaper than the Magic Bullet. However, I must say that this Hinari blender has surprised me. I have been using it for almost 2 years now, mainly for milkshakes and smoothies but also for grinding nuts and spices, and this blender does a great job. The jug and cups are of great quality and are great for storage, easy to use and clean. The blades are sharp and have years of use. I highly recommend this hassle-free, reasonably priced, long-life blender, a must-buy for smoothies, grinding nuts, spices, coffee beans, etc.